This is vibey. What up, squad? Welcome, welcome. Right. Righty ho. So let's get this all running up and ready. Let's get this day. Let's go. What up, Tushar? Right, there we go. Get this all on. Wicked. Welcome, welcome everyone. Hope you're all good. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. So we're going to be going through some charts over here today. Good morning, good morning. Right, let's get this up and running. I want everyone in the YouTube to make sure to go to the Discord and put in your chart analysis for today. I want to see that. Also, people in the Zoom, I want you guys to put in your chart analysis as well. Daily having love, bud. Guys, you have electricity. Yeah, bro, man. The electricity came on at 4 AM, so it took them ages. Started at like 9. So yeah, that was pretty mad. But yeah, what up, squad? Right, so I'm just gonna do an Instagram, and then we'll be up and ready to start the stream over here. Beautiful trades on GJ yesterday that we caught. It's pretty tasty. I actually got in on this closure, making for the low wick and exceeding. I got 15 pips over here, which was nice. And then later on, I tried to call it in the Telegram, but I was too late. Couldn't write it down at the time. I got into a trade over here. Where was it? Yeah, this time. So you can see there was a big resistance here, and when I saw this candle coming up and then closing back in the zone, I entered a sell right here on the flip. Stop loss above, which is a 10 pip stop, and I actually closed most of my position here. And I actually closed some of it here. So yeah, I got nearly 100 pips on that, so that's pretty good. Morning, morning. Welcome, welcome everyone in the Zoom. If you are in the Zoom here, make sure to do some chart work in the chat. Try and put it in the mentorship chat over here. I'd like that. Also, people in the YouTube, same thing. Go in the Discord. I want to see some nice chart work. So let's take a look at some news first. Whilst I do the story. What up, squad? How we doing? How we doing? We are live now. Make sure to come and join us on YouTube, guys. Link in the bio to come and join the live stream. Let's go. Wicked. So let's have a look over here. Looks like we have some news at 9:30. Construction PMI. That's completely fine. Doesn't seem to be an issue for us really, which is pretty good. Let's take a look at the good Discord over here. Beautiful. So need to get some charts in this bitch. We're a little bit early this morning, but I think people will come in a second. So let's just get rid of all of this analysis over here. Let's do the daily time frame. Nice. Okay, so what am I going to be looking for? Well, I'm going to be looking for some pretty good bullish moves over here, because yesterday we closed bullish. Over here. So let's take a look. Daily flip. Let's go. Beautiful. The 4-hour flip. Let's take a look over here. Is right at this point. Nice. Let's move that to there. Nice. This is the 4-hour flip. Beautiful. And so it looks like all time frames are bullish right now. It looks like we are coming up to these highs again, which is good. With this bullish candle actually coming in. Now looking at the 30 minute and the 15, looks like we do have the resistance. 1 second. At this point over here. So we do have resistance, but I think with the London volume we could start to push and exceed. And where could we go over here? So we're actually quite high now on GJ. So we have our next resistance zone here. little bit of resistance, which is fine. But with volume, I think we could actually start to push up. The next zone will be here. So we do have some nice targets. What to do? Welcome everyone. So 7 minutes time over here. That'll be quite interesting. See where we get this closure. The hourly looks a bit choppy over here, but 30-minute looks pretty good over here. So we'll have to see. So see if we get this closure, and then we're going to be getting buys above. I don't feel too good with buy as we are reaching a strong daily resistance. Let's take a look at the daily over here. Yeah, that is very, very true. So there is resistance at this point. There is resistance here. The only issue I have, the only not issue is we are with London time. So if candles are pointing bullish, you shouldn't really be careful about that. It's normally when the dailies close and stuff. But with volume, we should be okay over here. Choppy area. Yeah, it is a choppy area, which is a bit of a shame. But what can you do? What can you do? So yeah, morning guys. Hope you're all good. So as I just said, we just checked news. There's no news. But yeah, there's a bit of a choppy area, unfortunately. But I still think we could be good for buys over here, maybe. And let's take a look at gold as well, because there's been some nice moves on gold recently. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. Let's get rid of that. So the daily time frame is above here. Nice. So yeah, guys, all we're doing is the same thing every single day. Very, very simple. Very, very easy. It's all you gotta do. This is the day. 4-hour flip over here. 4-hour flip. Nice. To keep the higher time frames in mind, I want to know where they are at all times. Beautiful. Let's take a look now. Looks like we do have some little support at this area. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so we do have support at this zone, which matches up with where our zone is, really. So you can see areas tap this multiple times, and now we are lying on it. But I mean, if we do get closures below, sorry, could be pretty good. For buys over here, I'm gonna have to be waiting until we flip the daily and probably come above 1769. That was the same as yesterday, I think. So no rush for me on that at all, really. If you guys are new here and just joined on, make sure to like the stream, man. Helps me out considerably to get this new audience we can get, man. We're posting lots on Instagram as well today, so that'll be pretty fire. So that's gold done, that's GJ done. So GJ in the 4-hour is bearish now. So look at this kind of consolidation. It's not the best for GJ, which is fine. But taking into that consideration, we just need to relax over here. I'm going to take a look at where's Telegram as well. People are very, very quiet today. I think people come a bit later on at 8 o'clock over here. What time is it now? Yeah, 7:25. Not too shabby. I normally like starting it at like 1/4 now. I think 7:30 is too late for me now. I'm just too excited to get on. I'm like, bro, get me on, man. Cool, wicked. So everyone in the chat, what did you guys do yesterday? Did you guys catch that gold sell? I didn't. Some people in our mentorship did as well. I was very, very happy to take that trade here. It's delicious. But we're going to look at USD. It has been chock the last few days. Oh well. Let's take a look over here. Euro USD. I really want you guys in Discord to send some charts though, and in Telegram. Let's get the chart work up and running. So let's take a look at the daily time frame over here. Okay. Daily is bearish over here. Daily is bearish. That's completely fine. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4-hour is also bearish. Okay. Looks like we're coming down over here. I mean, closures below, like here, were quite decent. Let's take a look at the yeah. I mean, it didn't look too bad, to be honest. This closure below right here was quite good at 5 AM. You wait for the top wicket in the drive. Ah, it's only moved 8 pips, yeah. Not the best, not the best. We got Nasdaq buys like a boss. Wow, beautiful. Nasdaq buys, sheesh. That's pretty fire. I mean, for me, yeah, I don't know why anyone would want to trade this pair. It's just very, very slow. Like, it's like look, like this is a huge drop. It looks. It's barely 13 pips. Like, what the fuck? Oh shit. Get off, boy. So not really too bothered about that. I'm learning a lot about daily and 4-hour candle flips. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, well, good stuff. I'm glad you are. Yeah, it's, you know, it's quite easy to understand. You just have to get used to doing it and looking at them all the time. Because the higher time frames are the ones that are painting the story. So, oh yeah, for real, for real. So yeah, okay, we're just having a little support over here on gold over here. So later on, I mean, we could actually start dropping. That'd be pretty fire. I mean, if we do get a closure, because look, this hourly does kind of look like it closed down. I mean, if we do get a 15-minute closure below, we try and enter to fill up these wicks. Let's take a look for the measurements over here. Yeah, 26 pips, not too shabby. It could be good. Could be goody. Let's have a look at charts of the stream, guys. Everyone's waking up now. Beautiful. So let's take a look. Easy U. Yeah. So you're looking for buys above 152.200. Sells below 151.735. So what? Yeah, 735 is because we know that this was a resistance before. Now it acts as support. So if you get closures below, that's quite good. I mean, still, if you got sells below here, we're pretty decent. But the only issue is that the higher time frames are bullish. So yeah, and also, you know, closures above here, beautiful. But that's good. Yeah, sells below, back in the zone. Because if you think here, you know, this is a zone, and if this is a zone, so if you do get closures back in this zone over here, we should continue down to fill up that range. Beautiful. Very, very easy and simple. Nice. Decent. So what we're going to be doing then, we're going to be waiting for closures below. I think that's going to be pretty solid for me, to be honest, because yeah, we've got nice support to the zone. Yeah, we have a bit here, that's not too bad though. That was when the volume was here. If we do get the flip and the closure, it'd be quite nice, because the hourly will be doing the same. The hourly will be doing the same. That's why I quite like it. So cool, wicked. Let's do this over here. See, like 1750, quite interesting. Over here. Right. 45. Let's see. So the whole of Asian again. Look at this downtrend over here. Nice. So it ran like 10 pips through Asian again. Sheesh, that's a whole lot of Asian. Let's take a look over here. Construction PMI, nothing much yet. So that's all right though. We want a clean chart, so you can't be asked for stupid news, man. The news have to chill out a bit. So I'm really focusing on trying to get this GJ to focus over here. Come on, GJ, get some momentum in this bitch. You can see these impulses right here as well would have been the best, so you're gonna have to wait. And preferably for a closure. That's gonna be the perfect place to do those trades over here. Right. Oh. So yeah, yesterday our NY session was really good. That closure above was decent. So the entries that I could have shown you guys. So we got into a trade here. Stop loss below. We were in profit pretty much instantly, which is nice, I think. Yeah, right here. Then it came again at 230, got a closure above. That was a good confirmation. Wait for the lower wick and then push. But that's towards the end of my session, so I didn't really take that one. But that was nice. And then yeah, I got gold sales later on, which is pretty decent. So good start to the week over here. Monday was a bit rough, but that's all right. It's all right. So yeah, continued sales are looking good on gold now. So if you are flipping this, this is decent. 15 minutes over here. Yeah, might wait another 12 more minutes for closure below. Should be pretty solid. Good morning from the Philippines. Morning, Maynard. Yeah, make sure you like the stream, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to bash that like button. Oh yeah, make sure to bash it out. Helps me out massively, guys. Quite a low amount of people though. I think might be because of these ads I think I'm running that I've done to see over here. Oh yeah, let's take a look at GBPAUD and stuff, guys. I want you guys please to send me some charts in the chat over here. Let's get more active. I might actually do a giveaway every week if people like. I'll pick the person who's been the most active in the chats. That's what I may do. That's what I may do, man. Right, okay, let's take a look. GBPAUD over here, nice and tasty. Starting to come up. Let's take a look. The 4 hour. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. So let's just take a look at the higher time frames. So let's look at the daily. Daily's bullish over here, so people do want to trade this. It's looking good for some buys at this time. Okay, wicked. So I'll get this. Nice. Let's take a look at the 4 hour over here. 100k challenge account giveaway. Challenge account, boy. Those challenges are mad, man. Very low amount of people pass them, so yeah, not the best option. So yeah, look over here. So we have like resistance to the left over here, not too bad. But then we've got clean candles. If we break up these highs over here, look how clean these candles are. Holy shit! Now that is juicy. So that could be quite interesting here. Buys above will be looking pretty solid around this area. So buys above. So breaking of the zone over here would be nice. I think it basically faked out before at this time, but it looks like now it's just coming to start to make a little bit of support right here, which is nice. But look at these 4 hour. 4 hours just making the lower wick. When we do start flipping over here, it looks like good time. We've got candles to the left to fill. It's like GBPAUD could finally get out of its shitty range it's been in for so long. So that could be pretty good. When does volatility kicking NY session? So pre-NY 11:30 AM. That's like UK time. That's when volume starts to kick in. So 10 minutes left of this candle over here. We're pretty decent to try and get some buys above. $114, beautiful. Is GBPAUD usually a good pair to trade? Yeah, I think it is. The stop losses, so it's like half lot, so like it's only like 20 pips gains, 20 pips stop losses. But some of the moves that I've been seeing are quite nice. I'm still paper trading it, but like here looks a bit rotten. But like these moves over here are nice, very easy. Closures below, wait for top wicks. Closures below, wait for top wicks. Very easy, quite nice. So yeah, I've been looking at GBPAUD to add to collection. Add to the collection, man. So that'll be pretty fire. Let's take a look at Discord over here. See if there's any more charts to the stream. Let's look at buy run over here. So he's looking for buys above the looks like 160, 170 mark. Nice. Closures at 141. Same as me. No trade range in this. Yeah, that's good. So identifying where the ranges are not the best is pretty good. You need to be able to do that. Sells below, but we fall on the 750 area, which rejects most times. Yeah, very true. So it's looking pretty good over here. Yeah, so it looks like we're all just waiting for the closures above or below. Hopefully we can get that in this session. Hopefully. Let me take a look at gold over here. Ooh, coming back up now. Coming back up now. Not too shabby though. So yeah, come on, get this closure in 7 minutes time, hopefully strongly above. If not, we'll have to wait maybe a little longer. Maybe the hourly candle will give us a bit more confirmation. Because the last 4 hour closed bearish, but it did close the big wick, which suggests rejection to the downside. So that could be potentially quite a good move over here. 34 people, amazing guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to do so. Bash that like button, does help me out a lot. And yeah, we just chilling here, vibing. Hopefully we can get a nice trade over here. Haven't had too many trades in London recently. They've been quite slow, not the best price action, but identifying them is what you gotta do, man. That's what you gotta do, I'm telling you. This coffee's not this coffee, this tea's unreal, man. 5 people in the Zoom as well. Yeah, it's a slow day today, guys. I swear people wake up and they're like, oh, nah, I'm not gonna do it today. Monday's always the biggest day. I don't know why. Everyone's just hyped to do it. Everyone loses all their money on Monday and then just fucks off till next week, till payday. So 21 minutes for 30, that'd be more confirmation, but still, I think if the 15 does close above, that could be quite a nice option over here. So yeah, no trades taken yet. No trades taken yet. So what else could we look at before? I'm trying to see where else we could probably get a move over here. The thing is, GBPAUD is just stalling over the moment, so this is through Asian, yeah. But hopefully with, oh wow, look, the 4 hours just flipped over here. 4 hours just flipped. That's looking pretty tasty. So I mean, if you do get a closure above on the 15-minute and the 5-minute over here, could be quite a good potential. So this is at 528 now. 28 likes in the stream, amazing, guys. So yeah, we're coming towards 22 now, which is good. Hopefully we'll start to get to see this volume over here. Looks like gold reacted on its support again. You can see heavily big support level, and it's just reacted off it pretty solidly over here, which is mad. Kind of 1 hour candle closing strongly on resistance. Provide us with any confirmation of bullish. Yeah, strongly on resistance. Provide us with any confirmation of bullish. Yeah, I think if you have wait, is this for gold or for GJ? Ooh, look at a retracement again. Holy shit. Hello, Jason. Hello, Jason. Hello. So yeah, I mean, looking at gold over here, not gold, at GJ, I'm gonna be looking for sells below these zones over here. I think that'll be a pretty solid region to get into them. Gold looks like a head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hour. Yeah, very, very true. So yeah, I'm actually going to be looking for sells and GJ below this zone over here. I think that look pretty solid. Sells below 151.856. Yeah, I think so. If people are looking for buys, yeah, if you get this hourly closure above this resistance over here, that'll be pretty solid for GJ for sure. Max stop loss. Do you think on GG those huge wicks in the daily to the left are a concern? Yeah, they are towards like just the way it moves, but I still think that if you have London volume, we should be okay with it. I think so. But yeah, you know, I'm cautious that we are in this zone over here. Look, we're coming towards the zone. So if we are in this zone, I'm only wanting clean candles. I don't want no stupid doji candles or weak candles. I'm wanting strong ones to give me a bit more confirmation. But to me, it looks like we are rejecting them highs over here. So we've flipped a 4 hour already, which is nice. Now I just need the daily to flip over here to then take some trades. Let's just move this a bit fire up. There we go. I think that would be a sick option, guys. Sick one. So yeah, we'll have to see. It's all exciting. Now GP AUD still flipped the 4 hour here, looking decent to continue on over here. You'll see with the little volume where it goes. Wow, look at that retracement. That's mad. Retracement on here is fire. So welcome, guys. Everyone's starting to come in now. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you guys haven't already. Let's get this on the recommended page so we can see hi to some new people. To be honest, I've been eyeing this area for days. Yeah, but I still think if candles aren't printing bearish, which they are at the moment, which is quite good, then good. But I'd say I would wait until we break the lows of the support over here, because you know, you could just trade in the zone. It's in a range. I'd say that this is a no trade range, because the higher time frames are contradicting themselves and the range isn't that big. But when we start coming down below here, flipping the daily, that could be nice over here. That could be solid plays. So that's what we're going to be looking for. So yeah, that's what we're going to be looking for over here. So as you can see, we're very fluid. I can look for buys and sells, not too bothered. Just need to be patient over here. So 4 hour come down, that's not too bad. Look at the daily. Hopefully the daily will flip over here for sells. That would look pretty decent. So it is rejecting them highs, no closures above. Look how many times it's wicked up though. So people trying to get in early here, be careful. You gotta wait. You gotta be paid to wait. So chill. Chill your beans, man. So yeah, beautiful guys. Lovely, lovely Wednesday morning. Middle of the week over here. Let's see if we can get these GJ trades. At the moment it is kind of deciding where it wants to go, but I am going to be looking for sells below this zone over here. That's where I'm going to be looking for. Coming up over here on GA, and yeah, USD is just chalked really. Just very, very low volume on USD, so I was like, oh, what's the point in trading that, man? Let's take a look at Discord. Yeah, I'm going to be doing the update in Discord very, very soon. So let's take a look. Oh, okay. GBPUSD. This is the hourly time frame over here. So you try to think it might come up to where support was now and cause resistance, then come back down again. Nice. I think that's good. I think it is also just predicting something. You know, the probability of that happening, you don't know. Like you kind of just speculating. Like that's like me doing this on GG over here. That's like me just doing this. Like you're just trying to hope, and then what, you're gonna buy here and then just hope it doesn't melt. Like it's just kind of guessing where things are gonna go. That's literally guessing. So you need to wait for the confirmations, the closes below, etc. to get more confirmation. That's what it's all about, man. The confirmation. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I haven't seen the subscribe gif yet. I need to see the Wolf of Wall Street subscriber gif, man. So yeah, we're coming down over here, pretty decent. But for me, there is no trade here because the daily is still bullish. So it's just best to wait. If the daily flips over here, then there's more confirmation we're rejecting them highs, and that we can come down over here. So it's gonna be pretty tight. Pretty tight over here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Tasty. 50 viewers in the chat, amazing guys. On this Wednesday morning. Maybe when today's daily goes bearish as a nipple wick. Yeah. I like how the 4 hours are rejecting them highs, to be honest. It is looking pretty good. We just have to be a little bit more patient over here. A little bit more patient. But that's what it is. It's all about patience in GJ. The patience pays. Yesterday we waited quite a long time, and then we finally got the move, and it was a nice move, which a lot of people got. A lot of people got it. Got that move. It was pretty fire. Let's try and get to 50 likes before 8 o'clock, guys. Make sure you like that button. Spam that like button over here, guys. Really just help me out. Coming up every day, providing value. No bullshit. No bullshit, man. Just doing some plain ass value. So yeah, it is coming down here, guys. We've got 12 minutes left. This candle, pretty decent. Hopefully we do get the closures below. Good morning, Swantes in the chat. Beautiful. Also, guys, make sure to tag me in Instagram. The Instagram link is there in the chat. Make sure to tag me in Instagram that you're on the streams. That'll help me out as well. And let's grow this bitch. So yeah, gold rejecting them highs again, not too bad. I mean, if you do get the closure over here, it could be pretty solid to continue down. I'll be flipping the hourly. It's only got 12 minutes left. How is your gold trade? Good. Actually, my runner got stopped out, a little one, but I did take off like 95% of my position. So, yeah, it was tasty over here. I got into a sell at this point. Stop loss above the previous, and then I targeted the lows, which is to the left over here, and that's where it hit. So it was very tasty. Ted also got this move over here because I asked him. So that was pretty fire. Very, very nice move. Took some off right about this area, and then the rest just ran. So yeah, it was pretty tasty. Very, very nice move. I liked it. So yeah, look at the 4 hour as well. Yeah, looking pretty good. Flipping the 4 hour again. Rejecting them highs over here. Max the gold digger. I took the same trade, gold short. Yeah, man. I think a lot of people took it. Just a 50-minute rejecting again. I was like, oh shit, we're gonna be flying, boy. What the fuck? So 10 minutes left. Beautiful, guys. We'll see if we get this closure below support. It looks like we may not do it. We'll have to see. We'll have to see over here. Come on, I need the volume in for London. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Let's get the London in this bitch. GBPJPY looking nice. Yeah, we closing above over here. Ah, not yet. Not yet. When you start seeing wicks like this as well, oh, price action looks a bit garbage over here. Look at that. I mean, oh, not the best. Not the best. Not the best at all, boys. Oh, I was looking at some cars yesterday as well, man. I was on the car hunting again. Do you know what I really like? These new BMWs are fucking fire. I really like the new 1 Series. I think they look sick. I think they look fucking smart. Dude. Price action hasn't been the cleanest so far this week. Yeah, very, very true. So, yeah, very, very true. But, you know, what can you do? You can't change anything about it, so you just have to get on with it. Yeah, I really like the back of this. Yeah, look how sporty that looks. Looks sick. Yeah, I might be getting one of these. Or an M2. Shortly. Yeah, man. Pretty fire, pretty fire. That'd be pretty sick. Nice M2 running about. Jeez. That'll be pretty sick over here. So yeah, let's just see where we close. I don't know if it's gonna close above or below. I'm like, bro, just tell me, man. Tell me. M2 tough at the top, eh? Yes, sir. That's what it's gonna be, man. It's for grinding, Thing is though, when you've got like a big account, like when I've finally got one now, it took a long time to get it though. But you have to like grow it and stuff. But like those 100 pip trades, like that trade I just took yesterday, like it was a bag and a half. Like it was like a big fucking proportion. I had a 2 lot on it. Took some off at like 50 pips. That's like, you know, £1,000, and the rest was at like around about 80 pips, 90 pips. That's nearly another £1,000. So, you know, it's does work pretty good in my favor over here. I like the 220D. Really have been eyeing it. Yeah, actually they're pretty decent. I do rate them. I do rate it. 41 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. We're still waiting for the closures over here. So let's have a look at the M2. Have they got a new one out yet? Because like, look at these on like second hand as well. Like these are pretty fire over here. So BMW. They're coming down on value, so they're pretty good. Play some Armin van Helden. Oh fuck, I wish, man, but I'll get copyrighted again. They've already bollocked me twice. So yeah, look one for 30 GK. I've seen some for like 29, I think, to 25. Is it? Let me take a look over here. The competition ones are 101, but that's a bit too expensive. So how is that price from low to high? I've literally just so I don't know which colour one. I don't want a black one. I quite like the blue one though, but everyone has that colour now. It's a proper driver's car. It looks sick, man. I'd love to be one of them bad lads. Right, let's take a look over here. So GJ looks choked as shit. He's gonna have to wait a bit longer over here for this hourly candle to close in 6 minutes time. Hi, have a good day. Have a good day. You too, man. Just came back. Now we could trade. Now we trade cars. Yeah, man. We trade the cars. How important is key levels? Pretty important to know where they are, because if you try and take a trade near them, you could get reversed quite hard. So you need to wait for the closures above the key levels. Yay, the chat's getting big again. I like it. Everyone's talking now. Good. Amazing. People in the YouTube chat, make sure you send your charts. I want to see some more chart work. I want to see some detailed analysis of where your TP1s will be, TP2s will be, TP3s will be. Check out how we get ailed. Oh, in South Africa. Let's take a look over here. 749. What is that? Okay, in pounds. Is that South African rands? Is that what it's called? Rands? It's called rands? I have no idea. What's it called? Mate, my geography is so ass. Someone tell me. So it's morning for you, stop loss, yeah. Ja rand, okay. Oh, just fucking do it for me, man. How much was it there? 700. That's alright, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Yeah, that's not too bad. Do you like BMW i8? I like it, but I like the look of it. I think it looks cool, but the engine in it is fucking shit. It makes it look like it's quick, but it's not. It's literally a little shitty engine. It's not that quick at all. Jay, you can buy a house for the price in South Africa. Wow. Damn. Yeah, you can't buy houses here. These houses are way too expensive in this bitch. Well, guys, make sure to like the stream if you guys haven't already. Let's get this bitch going. Hopefully we get a trade. If not, I'm gonna have to wait until later on today. Hopefully we can. It's just GJ's just sorting itself out over here. It's like, bro, I don't know where they want to go yet. Let's buy Tesla. Tesla. I got a Tesla right there. I see it outside the window. A Tesla, la la la. So gold over here, just chilling. 3 minutes left of the candle over here. Not too shabby. But it is going to be closing on support over here, so you can't really take any trades at that time. But it doesn't look like GJ is coming down over here, which is decent. The only issue is getting into sells right now. You know, there's a lot of kind of traffic over here. But the hourly does look good. The hourly does look tasty a bit. flip, flip, flip. Yeah, so the daily's gonna flip hopefully soon. That'll be looking pretty good. Let's see this zone over here. Yeah, it's only 6 pips to this zone, so I have to wait a bit more. It's gonna be good though. Give it another 15 minutes, gives you a bit more direction. Oh shit, we're coming down over here. Sheesh! Amazing. Where's TP on GJ? Well, so let's take a look over here. So I'm looking for cells below this zone, 856. We've got clean candles. The first kind of TP1 is going to be, you know, around about there. Is it this area? Because that's 10 pips. Okay. Let me just change the color of this over here. So that is TP1. TP2 is going to be, so it's on this resistance, that's fine. TP2 is probably going to be around these wicks over here. Which is normally about 20 pips, it looks like. And then for me, TP3 can be right at these lows over here. That'll be looking pretty good. So just looking at where the next zones are, where the next supports are. So look, like here, 10 pips, that's fine. When we go down, just do some different zones, all good. So yeah. So it still hasn't flipped the daily yet, but it's looking like it's gonna. Potentially. Looks like the hourly's coming down over here. Nice. Make sure to like that subscribe button if you guys haven't already as well. We've actually got quite a lot of subscribers now. We're doing pretty decent over here. We're doing pretty decent. Coming down here. Oh, look, we're flipping the daily now. Okay. Okay. The volume's starting to come in now. It's looking pretty good over here. Make sure to like that button, guys. Try and get a 50 likes before 8 o'clock in 5 seconds time. Bash that like button if you guys haven't already. Get it over and done with, boys. Okay. It's coming down over here. Nice. Oh. So finally finished the daily over here. Nice. Coming down. Nice. Okay, so a lot of volume coming in now. Pretty decent. Take a look at the 5 minutes over here. Tasty. Oh my fucking god, what the fuck was that? Are you a BMW over Audi? I like Audis, I like the way they look, but I think they're yeah, they're a bit boring. Not the best driver's car either. Wow, look at this volume coming in, so I'm gonna be chilling over here. Whoa, look at that! Yeah, wow, look at this price action over here. Damn. I'm going to be waiting a bit longer for the closure in the next 15 minutes over here. Because we are tapping a zone where they could be rejected. So, you know, right here, there are supports. So try not to get into any cells before until you get the closures below. Because that'll give you a bit more confirmation over here. 46 likes to the chat, amazing guys. Let's take a look at gold. Look at the hourly. Okay, so it did close bullish over here. Okay, not too shabby. But I'm really wanting the 50-minute to close. Something like this over here. So, you know, making the top wick at this point, coming down, closing below. Next one makes the top wick and then exceeds. Could be pretty good over here. But I also know that just like happened a couple of days before, we've already had a lot of volume between Asia. Normally, London seems to just relax over here. But the hourly salary play could be interesting. Could be very interesting. The 4-hour bias on GJ is not bullish. Yeah, it's not bullish. It's bearish. It is bearish. It is very bearish. So coming down over here on gold, I mean, pretty decent. Look at these candles as well. Oh shit. Looking pretty nice over here. But I'm gonna wait for 12 more minutes because there was no setup at that time. Look at GJ over here. So hopefully you guys didn't take these sells over here, tried to be impulsive. You need to wait to relax a bit more, guys. Oh shit. Okay. If you get this closed in 12 minutes time over here, it could be quite good to continue. Look at the 4 hour now. Wow, looking good over here. So GBPAUD could be quite nice. As long as you get the closure in 12 minutes time, that could be a really, really solid move over here. Could be very, very solid. Molto bene. So if you guys haven't taken a trade yet and you're still relaxing, waiting for GJ to kind of give it some volume over here, I think between London sessions this week, for GJ especially, has not been the best, but that's fine. I haven't taken any. Server level ups. Oh, I'm gonna be, so when I do this update on the Discord, I'm actually gonna be doing giveaways on the people who are like the top 5 in the rankings. So, like, obviously not me, but like, so if you go in here, like my rank, I'm number 1. But if you're like ranking number 5 in the month and stuff, then I may give out some little prizes over here. This gives you incentives to make sure you post your charts, man. Post your charts is all I did to become a great trader. You need to be able to post your charts consistently every day, know what you're looking for, and then the entries just come. Can you please shortly the way you find trend in the 4 hour daily time frame? What are you looking at? So the 4 hour on the daily, all I'm looking at is where the candles are pointing. So you can see here, very, very weak bullish over here. It will flip every so often. The 4 hour, look at the 4 hour, is very, very bearish. So for me, it's looking like it's quite good for sellers at this time, especially if you get closures below this zone. So it's just using where they are, where they're pointing. Look, the 4 hour doesn't look like a buy, does it? It's pretty solid bearish, rejecting these highs again. Oh, coming down over here. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for the closure at this time. Wow, there's a lot of volume coming in over here. It's very jolty, like it's mad. Normally TJ is a bit chiller with stuff like this. How's EuroCAD doing? I don't know, probably doing nothing because it's a shit pair. Oh, nice. Ho ho! Holy smokes! Holy smokes! Holy smokes! So nice. There's still a lot of volume over here, and there's still a lot of potential. Look at the 30 minutes over here. So I'm happy to wait over here for this 15-minute closure. Oh my God! GJ, you flying, boy. Let me take a look at gold over here. Oh, as well, 9 minutes time for the closure on gold. GJ gonna run? Yeah, GJ is gonna run, but it's gonna be pretty good over here. Hello, Adam. Hello. So 9 minutes left. I mean, that'll be pretty good. And then the next candle over here, I want it to make a nice top wick and then to drive down. Now you're looking pretty fire. That'll be looking pretty fire over here. I know that I heard you. Gold making a head and shoulders pattern. Nice. Head and shoulders, head and shoulders. Yeah, pretty much. I'm paying attention to gold over here. Kinda wanna wait for 8 minutes time. If you get this closure, that'd be pretty solid over here. GJ finally brought the volume in this bitch and was starting to fly, which is nice. I'm liking it. Beautiful. That's good. Volume's coming in now. That's nice. I'm happy. And there's a nice range to fill. So even if you got in here, yeah, 32 pip range. Holy smokes. Gold about to be closed below. Yep, in 7 minutes time. In 7 minutes time, hopefully we can get it. That will be pretty good for us. GU making moves also. GBPAUD is looking fire over here. Damn. So we'll see. 7 minutes time, still a lot of time. GJ could pull up all the way, but I doubt it. I'm just waiting for the closure below the zone over here to give me a bit more confirmation. If there's no top wick and drive down in GG, will you still enter? Nope, I need a top wick. I don't play those games, even though today it might work. I know throughout 100 trials it won't work 70% of the time, so I'm not going to be taking that bad probability over here. No wicks, no trades. Facts, man. And the one wicks that they do work. It's great, but the issue is you can't be running into them trades. You just kind of do it. Because if you do it over 100 times, you're just going to be losing it. Hey bro, I got a question. On what time frame do I need to wait to close below or above a zone? The 15 or the 30 minute, depending on how strong the closure is. I use 15 and 30. And hourly is as well, whatever. That's what you got to do. Wow guys, nearly close to 50 likes, man. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like it. If you love waiting for candles to close. No impulses. The only issue with taking impulses is, they don't work all the time. And this time would have worked nicely, but the time yesterday and last week you would have been clapped, so there's no point. Even though it looks tempting and stuff, you can't. The only way you could have gotten here is on the flip of the daily right here, with a stop loss above probably. That is the only way. But apart from that, you have to wait patiently. But it looks like we are going to get the closure. So let's look at the hourly now. Hourly's looking decent. 30 minutes looking decent. All pretty good over here. Big stop loss. Yeah, so what we're going to have to do is this next candle over here is going to have to make a top wick. And then if it does start flipping down over here, then I can enter. So, yeah, like a wick up here. Then the drive down again. Stop loss will be above. That would be pretty tasty because you want to keep our stop loss, between 10 and 12 pips. That's my comfort level. That's what I like. If it's anything higher than that, it's a bit of a no. Unless it's gold, obviously. Gold we do half risk, so gold is normally like between 20 and 18. Oh shit! Look at the hourly over here. Nice. Coming towards hourly nose now. So getting in on maybe the breaks here were pretty decent, but now we have a little support over here. But in 4 minutes time, if this does get the closure down, holy shit, look at the 4 hour over here. It's coming towards 4 hour support as well, which is a bit annoying. Got a free traffic. Yeah, got free traffic here for sure. For sure. Hopefully this next one in the next 50 minutes time can chill, come back up, and then start to push again. That's looking juicy, boy. Juicy, juicy. Wow, look at that. So I mean, impulses on here and breaking the lows with the 8 o'clock could be a decent move, but for me, I kind of want to wait until you get this closure. It's gonna be looking pretty nice, pretty delicious, molto bene. So yeah, what I'm waiting for is the closure, the top wick up, and then the drive down. Could be pretty nice. And for GJ over here, we are getting the closure as well. Hopefully it comes to pull back up so I can get in on the flip instead of the low, because that'll be a bit annoying. So yeah, wow, good volume coming in now for GJ, which is pretty sick. I'm very, very happy with that. Wow, look at the volume. GJ, wait for us, motherfucker. Wow, beautiful. So from 8 o'clock, around 20 pips. Do you get more trades at a time? Yeah, so yesterday I got into 2 trades at a time, but normally not. Only if it's like a good setups on both. It's quite hard to manage them both. Wow. So 2 minutes time, it is getting the closure on gold over here, which is quite interesting. Gold look much better. Yep. I do agree. I do agree. I do agree. Let's do this over here. Right, let's do this over here. So alright, get this off. 1 second, just setting up my magic keys. I forgot I changed them. There we go. Nice. Beautiful. So let's see in a minute's time. Let's take a look over here. So yeah, I'm kind of wanting to close below over here. That was a nice move to get in here, but we'll take a look. 55 likes, amazing guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, what are you doing, man? Oh my god, GJ, you wait, boy. Where is the stop loss in gold? It can be more than 30 pips. Yeah, you have to wait for the top wick. That's the only way he can get in. That is the only way you get in. That's the same with gold. That's the same with GJ as well. You have to wait for the top wicks. Hopefully they chill and then they start to flip over here. That is the only way you can get into trades. Yes, push up a bit more, GJ. Come on. Push up a bit more, boy. So you can give me some room. There we go. There we go. Let's see if GBPJPY over here is getting the closure above. Yeah. Look at the hourly now. 45 minutes left over here. Oof. Oh ho ho. Clean candles to the left. 50-minute just close. Gold close is going to be tight. Yeah. Yeah. So for me, the only way you can get in right here is if you get a top wick, which is about 20 pips. So yeah, right around this level over here, tap in the zone and then come in and flip in. That's the only way I can get into this trade, because at the moment we can't get in. If we got in now, I'd have a 46 pip stop loss. So I have to wait to relax in the first, you know, 5, 6, 7 minutes of the candle, come up over here, so like this, make the top wick, then it's going to start to flip again like this. So made the top wick over here, then start to flip. I'll enter on the flip and then we should continue the drive down. That's the only way I can get in. If this runs off now, that's fine, but I can't get in like this. I have to wait for the flip, and then the flip will be the stop loss. The current candle high will be the stop loss. This happens on GJ as well. So GJ, so the 30-minute hasn't closed below, but that's fine. So what's the stop loss right now? Yes, if we same thing for gold for GJ over here. If we do start to push up over here, and tap around about this zone, and then start flipping, that could be a good option as well. So there's a lot of trades we could take over here. Which would be pretty interessante over here. So nice, coming up over here now. Let me just get this. Okay, which one should I look at? I swear to God, GJ and Gold, they always have good setups at the same time. They did it yesterday as well. I'm like, bro, give me some fucking time, man. Yes, come up now, come up now. So what I'm wanting is the top wick to be made in the first like 6-7 minutes. If people are in the webinar and the mentorship, yeah, I've talked about this all the time. 151795. One second, I'm just writing out a signal just in case we do get this trade over here. Let me start recording as well. You know shit's about to go down when we start recording over here. So, I mean, it's got 11 minutes left of this candle. Not too shabby, not too shabby. The 5 minutes are starting to push up over here. You know, towards 8 to 7 minutes is where I kind of want to be entering. So hopefully we come up over here and make the nice top wick that I'm looking for, which would be pretty tasty. So yeah, gold for me hasn't came up anywhere near as enough as what I want to. So I'm going to focus on GJ over here. So at the moment, if we do get the flip, it's a 6 pip stop. I mean, that's not too bad. That ain't too bad. So if you do get the flip right now. Oh shit, boys. Oh shit, boys. Right. I'm gonna be entering a trade over here. So we've made the top wick over here now. We're starting to dive down over here. I got in around this area over here. My stop loss is actually gonna be above on the highs here, right in the zone. Very happy for this trade now. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, rejecting them highs over here. We should continue down at this point. The last 30 minutes of the candle, beautiful. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a dub over here. If not, that's fine. Wait for the top wick, exactly what I wanted. It tapped the zone, it's rejected. So yeah. So my stop loss is 865. So you know what are we looking at here? All of our biases are looking pretty good. Beautiful. Let me just do that over here. Nice. So in this trade right now, we actually have a beautiful stop loss of only 6 pips over here, so that is pretty sexual. So I'm going to take that every day, all day, every day, and we should potentially come down over here now, which will be looking delicious for us. Okay, so I'm up about 5 pips already. Oh shit, nice, beautiful guys. Oh shit, we flying, boy. We flying. We just hit TP1 over here. Beautiful. TP1. Stop loss to break even over here. And there you go. Beautiful, guys. W in the chat as usual. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. This is what we want to do, man. This is what we want to do, man. Beautiful, there you go. Boom, a boom, guys, a boom. You know what I'm saying? Whole lot of gang shit. Don't at me, man. I am the GOAT. There we go, guys. Thank you very much. There we go. Oh my God, we've run it over here. Beautiful, guys. Amazing trade over here. We just hit 12 pips. We got W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Nice little runner running as well. Very, very easy, guys. Bro, let's get the bag for the boys. Yes, I like the W's in this bitch. Amazing, guys. Well done, well done. Beautiful. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to have my little run around. To be honest, I think it's quite a good time to hold a run around over here. Should be pretty cool. Wow, we're up 13 pips now. So yeah, we do not 13 pips, fucking 18 pips. Take a look over here. Oh, 50 pips over here. TP1 smashed. Amazing, guys. So yeah, we're continuing down now. Very, very easy trade over here. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. That's what you do, man. And then you rinse, repeat every single day. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Yes, sir. So beautiful. Very, very easy. 62 likes, man. Let's get these likes up, guys. Let's flip that. The flip of the wrist. Make sure you get the likes up, guys, if you did catch that trade with me. Very, very easy. We had a 6-pip stop loss. I'm running 15 pips. That's a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Very, very easy. I hope you guys in Zoom caught it as well. Listen to me. Even though I put the thing on very, very quickly, it flipped very quickly as well. So I was like, bro, let's get in. And, you know, to the T over here. Beautiful trade. Very, very easy. That's what you gotta do, man. Same thing every day. We waited patiently. We didn't get in too early. Oh shit! I'm fucking running, man. Holy shit! TP2 just smashed. Oh my fucking god. Fucking hell, guys. So, I mean, holy shit, guys. Make sure to like the stream, boys. Come on, 22 pips over here. Bro, if you had like a 1.4%, that's like 2.8%, man. Bro. You know, that's what you gotta do, man. Easy, easy, easy. That's what you gotta do. Same thing every single day, though. I look for the same subs, and this bitch ran like a motherfucker. Holy shit. 20 pips, beautiful. So amazing, guys. Beautiful trade. Go, GJ, go. Yes, sir. Let's hit TP3
yeah,
over here.
Good trade, guys. Good trade.
Yeah, man. You catch it?
Nah, man.
You missed it. You missed it.
Yeah, I missed it.
But yeah, you know, these setups happen all the time, man. You get the closure below, and then you wait for the top wick, and then boom. But obviously, sometimes you don't get the top wick, and it melts off straight away. That's fine. That's not the way I want to trade. So,
Yeah.
very, very simple. Beautiful, guys. Mate, bleeding and running, mate. We got a W in this bitch. If I'm paying your bills, fucking W this chat, the YouTube. Jeez.
2 days in a row with amazing trades.
Yep. And all last week we got some amazing GJ trades. So, no, GJ, when you get paid to wait, very, very good over here. So, you know, I didn't get pissed off that I missed the move over here because we're still in this range.
Yeah, and we have some weeks there.
Yeah, and like, you know, people, this is a very, very good example as well. And people in YouTube, especially when they said, oh, well, the stop loss is going to be too big here. I'm like, well, yeah, that's why you wait for the top wick and then you drive this bitch down. Amazing, guys. Spam that like button. If you guys haven't liked the stream, make sure you like it over here. Beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. Holy shit. We are flying. Nice. So yeah, let's take a look at gold over here. Oh! So look at this, guys. Gold did get the closure, came back up and hasn't flipped back down again, I don't think. Let me check the 5 minute. Yeah, it hasn't. So I would have taken that gold trade because we haven't. This is making the top wick and hasn't flipped yet. So amazing, guys. Make sure to tag me on Instagram as well. I would love that. I would, you know, really helps me out as well for Instagram. So make sure to tag me in your posts for sure. Holy shit, very, very easy trade over here. So let's take a look. 27 pips. Oh shit. So now I have a little bit of a run on, but I've taken most of it off over here. So amazing. So you know, if you've got like a £1,000 account and you've just taken a 0.1 lot, you just made £27. That pays for half the mentorship for the month in one trade. Jeez. Just loving it here every day, starting from scratch. Yes, man. It's not hard, not hard. Just do the same thing every day. Beautiful. So let's take a look. Yeah, wow, that gold did really reject them. So as you can see here, GBPAUD. Ooh, so rejected again, man. It's really finding this hard. So no, we wouldn't have taken this trade because we're still waiting for the lower wick, and obviously didn't come back up flip. I don't think. Let's take a look. Yeah, not really. So there you go. We wouldn't have taken that trade either. So it looked like we got the perfect trade. Which is good. Very tasty. Closed everything by 20 pips. Got tiny position running from the top of the range at Asian high. Wow, beautiful. Solid. So, you know, everyone in the analysis Discord over here waiting for these closures below. Right at this level over here, we got them. So very simple and easy trade to work with. And, you know, runners over here could be very solid. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely be happy if you still continue over here. I mean, TP3 is here, but I mean TP4 could be all the way down over here, 158.66. I might actually keep that. So let me move my TP. That'd be pretty good. W, thanks bro, thank you very much, thank you guys. No foul hour support until 158.07. Yeah, very true. That's why I've moved it. Since I've been watching your stream, my trading has become so much better, less mistakes and more discipline. Beautiful, man. And you know, the conditions that we've been trading in for the past like 2 months haven't been the best. They've been okay, but they haven't been the best. You know, wait until March time when I'm fucking milking like 30 pips every stream. So yeah, I mean, we've got a nice entry over here, clean candles. So you know, for runners over here, this could be really fire. I'm not gonna lie. But very solid trade. So let's take a look at some more options over here. So GBP, the good thing. Oh, look at that! Look at that. So the 30-minute just closed over here, closed back up. Look at these wicks. Wow, really rejected them lows over here. So this is why waiting for the top wicks does really help, because it means you don't get into these trades over here. Like waiting for top wicks and bottom wicks is the best thing ever, because you know you don't get faked out as much because of this. You also could get a smaller stop loss like this. It's just a perfect way of entering a trade. So decent. If you guys have learned something today, make sure to like the stream. Let's try and get 100 likes. I've never had that before. Try and bash that like button. If you guys have already, then just tell me. But yeah, try and bash that like button over here. Try and get to 100 likes, boys. But really solid. So what we're gonna do for continuing on, I think sells are still gonna be nice later on over here. Come on, GJ, tap 420. Yeah. I think it should got another 10 pips left, but could do. On gold, to be honest, I don't expect it to run too much in the London session. Most of the time, it's usually range and fake outs. Happens a lot. Yeah, I think also, you know, let's just do this analysis over here. So with gold, you know, we saw a lot of momentum, a lot of volume happening through Asian here. Look, Asian, it's a lot of volume. Then it looks like London ranges. Let's just do another example over here. Look, so Asian pushes down, London kind of ranges. Let's do an example where it's different though, where Asian ranges. So Asian kind of ranges here, has a little bit of a volume here, spike, comes back up, and then look, now London starts to push. So when Asian ranges, only London pushes, I think. For me anyway, that's what I've seen. Come on, hit our zone over here, bitch. Beautiful, amazing. Great trade, GJ. Yeah, man, that ran into profits pretty much instantly as well. Look, 5-minute close of bearish. Oof. Right, just rinsed. My stop loss was 6 pips, man. Come on. 6 pips for like a 30 pip gain. Holy shit, that's like for 28 pip gain. Sorry, not 30. That is a nearly 5-to-1 risk to reward. So you know you gotta take them sometimes. So ooh, nice. So GBPJPY closing above over here. It does have enough momentum to fill up. The only issue is the 50 did close bearish for me. That is a bit annoying. So what have we got later on? Non-farm and employment change at 115. So be careful if you're trading gold later on. Be very, very cautious over here. Don't fuck up your account because of that. Don't fuck it up. Be careful. Be careful. USD is still coming down. How would you manage risk if it went against you? I wouldn't have managed risk because my stop loss was already 6 pips. So like, look, my stop was 7 pips, so I couldn't have managed risk there. I would have happily just took the 7 pips. Normally, if my stop loss is 10 pips, I like managing the trade around about 6-7 pips. So yeah, that's what I quite like doing. Oh, you're gonna hit TP3 over here. Holy shit. Did you blow accounts or take a big loss when you first traded, or did you always have good concept risk management? I blew more accounts than you probably ever would imagine. I lost so much money in 2 years. Probably over 10,000 when I was like 16, 17. Can you set a TP4? Yeah. TP4 would actually be down on these lows over here, so 800s. Come on, hit TP3 for me, bitch. Sexy trade, well done. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so coming down over here, nice, delicious. 5 people in the Zoom. People are quiet today in the Zoom. Not many people have turned up. To be fair, 11 people looked at the trades, so that's good. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Are you on enter on GJ? Yeah, I got a trade over here. Got to turn up every day. Well, exactly. I mean, this day over here, especially, man. 75 likes, amazing, guys. Thank you very much for supporting me. I'll put the recap on Zoom, not Zoom, on Instagram today as well. That'll be pretty sick. And that'll be pretty fire. Honestly, that's quite encouraging. Thanks. Honestly, that's quite encouraging. Yeah, bro. I mean, I was the worst for that, bro. Yeah, over a skin for like fucking years. Check out EA. Gio, you send me a chart for EA, and then I'll check it out. You send me a nice chart. A nice, beautiful chart. So how many subscribers are we on now, guys? Our next target is 5,000. So it's a big jump, but hopefully we should be okay over here. Where's your stop loss? Are you trailing it? No, I've got it. I've just got it on break even over here. I'm not really too bothered. I'm just gonna take some off at this point, and then the rest I'll just leave. But I'm not really too bothered. You can trail it if you want, but the thing is, you'd want to trail it on the 15, and you know you can't really trail it here. I mean, you could just put your stop loss here, but I'm just gonna hold mine on over here. I don't think we're gonna be coming up there anytime soon, so I don't really care. And if it gets tapped out, it gets tapped out. I'm not really too bothered. Wow, 1,073. Amazing, guys. Amazing. We got 73 subscribers in like fucking 10 minutes. That's sick. So like in one day, $3. That's decent. One day being on the monetization. Yeah, look at my CPM over here. Holy shit. £19 per 1,000 views. What the fuck? $19. That's huge. People like who do like vlogs and shit, they're on 3. So that's fucking sick, man. Cool, wicked. Yeah, we're on actually. So 5,000 is the next goal. That'd be sick. If I got that before Christmas, nah, I wouldn't get that before Christmas at all. Let's do the math. So if I gain, how many did I gain this week? 92. So 100 a week, basically. But that's not a good week. 100 a week. How many weeks till Christmas? Why is it? Oh. 11 weeks. Yes, it's not went near. 1,100. So I'll be on like 2,000 subscribers. That's sick. 2,000, boy. Can I ask how much dollar you made of that trade, if you don't mind asking? Yeah, I made 400 pounds on that. And this runner on is just got a little bit left on the runner. 423 it was. But yeah, I never even look at the money. I just pay my bills, and then I just leave it in, to be honest, until I've got like a big account. Done for the day. Thank you for the trade. See you tomorrow. Yes, sir. See you tomorrow, where we do the exact same thing again. Exact same thing again, all day, every day. ADP coming, yeah. I need to be careful with stuff like that. ADP can be mad. It can be mad over here. So gold over here starting to come back down. Let's look at the 50-minute. Yeah, rejecting them zones over here. It's 30-minute. Oh, that could be decent over here. Where's Connor? Connor probably isn't woken up. Connor misses the streams all the time because he's fucking knackered, he says. Oh, look at this 5-minute over here. Oh, that's tempting. Look at the hourly, 30-minute. The thing is, it did close on support though, so it's risky. Would you say you're earning above average income for your age from trading? Yeah, quite a lot more. I think the average person who works my age is probably like 18,000. Football highlights. Thank you for subscribing to the channel over here. Sheesh. Let's take a look over here. Nice session, Max. See you at New York. See you later. Adios, amigos. Off for now. Cracking stream as always. Take it easy. See you tomorrow. Yes, sir. We'll see you tomorrow. It's all about the discipline, man. We didn't rush into those fucking trades. We just chilled. Yeah, Derek. Yeah, over trading and shit. Wait, totally agree, Brian. Sometimes I just do stupid things like over risking. Over trading have become a habit. It's good to see you guys like Max and Don make such drastic turnarounds. Yeah, but it's the discipline, man. Derek, you need to join my mentorship. I'm telling you, man. That psychology webinars, the time webinars, the psychology one really does help you out because it's understanding where it's coming from. Like, yeah, the whole like over risking stuff, it's just gambling. That's what it is. And you have to get out of that mindset. So it is a bit of a shame over here, and not many people can do it. Not many people can do it. Dear, I'll sub once you call another trade. Let me out. I missed the GJ. I'm pretty mad. I'll sub once you call another trade. Yeah, gold just chilling. The reason I didn't really like this is because, yeah, the 30-minute close back on support. So I'm like, oh, is that risky? Is that risky, boy? 81 likes, amazing chat. Who caught that GJ trade with me? You who took that GJ trade with me in the chat? Are you in a trade night right now? Yep, I'm in a GJ trade, but it's just a runner from up here. See you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. So yeah, I got into a trade up here. GJ was still pushed down. Well, I hope so for me. I hope so. I got it. Nice session. I got it. Beautiful, Andrea. Nice. Beautiful. So yeah, people on the Zoom and stuff, I sent out the signal over here. So if you've got like £1,000 account over here, as I said, you just basically paid for the mentorship for the month, and like that's like nothing compared to how much shit I've done in the past 2 weeks. I've already done like fucking 4 hours, 5 hours worth of shit. This one over here is fire.
You can see that's
really
got to
good.
higher wicks and lower.
So if you guys do want to join that, I'll put the link on here to get signed up. And as I said, so it's a little plug, but when we hit 35 members, I'm going to be giving away a prize which is over £100. So that'll be pretty cool. Yeah, just paid for the mentorship there, easy. Exactly, man. That's what it's going to be. I want gold to go down, man. Still waiting. I think you might have to wait until New York over here. I mean, the 5 minutes looking pretty good, but yeah, you need to be careful over here. Yeah, see, so Jay says just paid for the mentorship there, easy. Exactly, man. So if you do have quite a big account, like a £2,000 account or a £1,000 account, it's probably best to hop in over here, because it pays for it pretty quickly. And if I called that gold sell yesterday, bro, you should have seen it. I literally had the signal in right here, because you could do like drafts, and then I was like, oh, it's too late now. It's already ran 30 pips. I was fucking gutted. What more giveaway? Let's go. Yeah, so I'll do YouTube giveaways as well, which will be pretty fire over here. Why don't you go live in the New York sessions? I do, but I just do it with a private mentorship, so I do it with a mentorship group. Just because there's a lot of streams on already, and that's just my niche. I can do it privately. It's just using my tools, you know. I wouldn't want to do it either because Control Effects has got his going, so I think it'll be a bit unfair if I just go on. He's got his. The reason why I did London is because I don't really know any other people who do London. I know Dr. Dollar does now, but I only just met him like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. But when I was younger, I wanted to do it, but Monty was doing it, and then Monty fucked off to do his own thing. So I was like, oh great, let me go. And I don't really know who Capital or like the other ones are, like Luke Trades London. I don't really know who they are. Max, you do know you're never going to apply for a day job. Yeah, I know, probably not. And especially my girlfriend now, like she tells me like what the thing is, like I'm my own boss, like it's great. But the only issue is now is that like, so like my day, obviously I do a lot of my stuff on the mentorship, to be honest. I just take up most of the day. But like when I'm free, like I have to, everyone else is at work, so I'm like, bro, I need to find some mates who are like fucking rich mates who like just have money everywhere and we'll go do shit. Cause all my mates from school are either still at uni because they took a year out, so I'm a year ahead of them, or they're working like full time. But yeah, so I have to find like hobbies and shit. I'm also a fat cunt right now, so I really need to lose some weight. Are you a full-time trader? Yes, full-time. I just finished uni, so I finished uni in July, got my degree, and yeah. How old are you, and how long have you been trading? I am 21, and I've been trading since I was 15. So don't at me. Don't ask me. Don't. 82 likes, man. If you did learn something today, make sure to like that button, man. Hopefully we can hit TP3 over here, which will be pretty fire. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. So yeah, I've been trading for a long time. I got into it very early when I was trading Apple stock with my dad, and then yeah, I just kind of went on from them. So you live your life. You live a Forex stacks. Yeah, boy. I was eating dirt when I was 15. What the fuck? It's been my passion. That's the difference. If you guys don't enjoy it and you just want the money, then you're not gonna be here for long. It has to be a passion. I've been doing this since like fucking. I was doing this like GCSEs and shit, man. You've been the best since I've subscribed to your channel. Thank you very much, man. That helps. That makes you feel good. From what time to what time do you do the NY Zoom sessions? I do them between 11:30 and like 1:30 or 2 o'clock, my time, so UK time. So I start it at 11:30, like here, 11:30. So like, you know, 3 hours from now, basically. I was eating dirt when I was 15. I'm increased by that. What kind of car do you have? I actually don't have one at the moment. I used to have one. I sold it for uni, but I'm looking to get one over here. I'm looking for a. I'm looking at one of these bad lads. Yeah, and M2 over here. Oh shit! The 15-minute did close over here. So I mean, if you do want to take this trade, 20 pips stop, 30 minutes starting to fill. Could be quite decent over here. I'm going to paper trade this, see how it goes. But I advise maybe not taking this trade yet because there's no top wick. Oh shit, GJ hit our TP. Come on, let's go, boy. TP3. Your mentality has helped me a lot in trading, thank you. Well, that was the whole point. That's why I started it, man. I just want to help out a lot of people. I still think I can help out a lot more people. People need to stop following some fucking retards and jump on the stream with me, man. Yeah, the bigger I get, then the more stuff I can do like that. I can help out a lot more. I can do like in-person sessions. I can do like proper good things. So yeah, just trying to grow as much as I can, really. Let's see if you get this trade. So now, if people are in this trade, what you can do is, instead of having the stop loss here, you could have, you could trail it to here. So for me, I might actually trail my stop here at 622, because we shouldn't come now and fill them. So that's what I'm gonna do over here. That is what I'm gonna do. It looks like we may hit it. Come on, give me some volume. Push through there, bitch. Push through there, bitch. You can do it. That's good there. I'm liking all these positive comments in the chat. Amazing. Do you think 10% every month believable on FTMO account? Do you think 10% of every month? What do you mean believable? Like believable as in like realistic? Do you mean realistic? Jasmine says you always help me to cut my losses and increase my profit. Yeah, well that's the thing, man. That's what I was struggling at the start. I'd always take trades but cut them too early, and then my losers I'd hit full 10 pips. And I'm like, oh, I need to do the opposite of this. So, do you think 10% a month is realistic? Yeah, I hit normally on average like 16 to 20%. So yeah, beautiful. With our strategy, I mean, some people's strategies like swing traders and stuff, they only hit like 25%, you know, 25% a year, sometimes 50% a year, like, and that's why they have to fucking milk courses and all this shit, because they, you know, they need that extra money. Do you think tips? Yeah, so beautiful. Oh, it did hit it. Did it hit it? Oh, it nearly did. I'm gonna say it did. Yeah, it did. GP3 hit. Let's go. I mean, that is just fire. Absolutely fire. Absolutely fire. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this bitch over here. Literally on the pip, man. See? I just knew trading too well, bro. Literally on the pip. Oh my god. Fire, man. So very, very easy trade over here, guys. If you did learn anything here, make sure to like the button. Let's try and get to 100 likes. I'm assuming a lot of people already have liked the stream, but if you guys haven't, please make sure you do that. And subscribe as well if you guys haven't joined the squad. Gold needs to break the low. Let's see where it's at. Yeah, it looks pretty good over here. So actually, that trade that I would have paper trade over here would have worked. Nice. How long are you going to be trading live today? I normally finish around about 5 past 9, so another like 20 minutes or so, and then I relax for 2 hours because there's no volume, and then yeah, chill. So that 15-minute looked like it would have done pretty well over here. The only issue is you have to wait for the top wick and then to come down over here. Pretty decent. Pretty decent over here. Very, very simple trade. It was beautiful. Executed beautifully. Yeah, gold does look nice, but for me, I know the volume starts to drop off at this time. I mean, it's good. It was good here. I think getting up in them highs with the stop loss above was quite good. Yeah, pretty decent. Do 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 do. Beautiful. TP3 hit. Nice. Very, very cheeky. Best London stream out now. Yes, let's go. Make sure you tell your friends as well, man. Tell your friends and family, boy. So yeah, if you do want to join me in the NY private session as well, make sure to come and join the squad. I'm hoping by the end of the year we get like 100 people on there, because we have a massive group. That'll be sick. I'll be posting so much shit. I'll be pretty fire. 100 people in that bitch. I'll be fire. There's GBP AUD over here. So look, we've got the closure above, and then two 50-minute candles over here. It didn't close back in the range. That is fine, but the issue is it has just made these bearish candles over here. Euro USD diving down over here. So from 8 o'clock it's moved 16 pips. Whereas GJ over here at 8 o'clock it has moved 53. So 53, boy. 53, man, that's a huge amount. Huge amount. 1,073 subscribers. Oh my god. 1,077 now. Holy shit. Holy shit. Beautiful. So yeah, what we're going to be looking for NY over here. So, you know, we've actually done this whole move over here. Going to see how it reacts at this level. But what I expect probably to do is maybe more of a relax. Come back up. Start to make resistance at some point. It could be back up here, but I die it normally around about this area. And then we can get the drive back down. So, you know, we know between 9:30, 11:30 normally relaxes. Then we get the pull up, makes resistance, and then it dies down. So it'll look something like this. Let me show you over here. There we go. So what will happen was it'll come up, just like these candles, half 9 between 11:30, pull up, and then resistance will form, and then the drive down. That's what we're going to be looking for over here. So that'll be pretty sexy over there. So I'm already planning what I want to see in NY. You know, plan your trades. Stop just guessing and thinking where you want them to go. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for resistance to form later on to then continue the sells. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. And yeah, beautiful. 52 viewers over here. We're smashing this trades over here. Too easy, too easy. If you guys haven't subscribed yet already though, make sure to do so in the chat. Wow, amazing. So finally GJ's getting some volume back. Yesterday was a bit chalked, so that's good. That's good. We got trades over here. Pretty solid. So look for like big runners. I mean, you could have your runner all the way down over here to 800s potentially, and do what this candle did over here. You know, very similar kind of aspect over here. So this is why, you know, swing trading, you know, with a runner is beautiful. I get all of the benefit of a swing trader, getting, you know, long things, but I also have no drawdown because it's a break-even trade. It's risk-free. So I could happily hold this on and catch all the levels and stuff, but like I don't need to take it realistically if I'm risking a lot. If I'm having such a smaller stop loss. Gold be wicking. Yeah. Yes sir, but we did say, you know, the 30-minute did close support over here, so yeah, you could have got it on the 15, but you had to be quick. Like that would have been the move. So what you need to do is start to realize, especially with gold, you need to be in and out quick. And I'll show you. So you know Ted's my boy. I'll show you Ted over here. So he put on his story yesterday. Where is he? Let's just go in here. Where is he? There we go. Right. So, Teddy boy, good lad, very good at gold. So if you look over here, let's just pause this if I can. Wait, let's go back. Oh wait, I can do it here as well. 1 second. There we go. So this column over here, this column right here, is how long the trades are. Can you see how most of them are 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, some 14 minutes. So you can see they're very, very in and out quickly. He waits for 5 minutes to stop pushing with the volume. And if we look towards the left, so look at his stories. His stories are very, very interesting. So if you go over here and we start off at the top again, how the fuck do I do that? Oh yeah, right. And then I can pause it right here. So now you can also see the times he takes them. 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. The times is where he's looking. 2:35. I think that's in a UK time actually, because that kind of suggests to me, yeah. So same times I'm looking for it. He's looking for very, very short moves, but he can do a lot of trades. Look, in a day he took how many trades here? Nice, and he like adds more on, because he just gets in and out very, very quickly. And yeah, look, 4 minutes for a trade. That's how it should be. You should be in and out quick. In and out, hyper scalper Ted. Ted's not hyper scalper because he'll hit like 100 pips as well. He just likes getting in and out, goes into profit. Great, take it out. Beautiful. 84 likes in this bitch. Amazing. Oh, look at gold over here. Nice. Nice. Doing some bits over here. Looks like GJ's still coming down. That's just delicious, man. Delicious. But nothing really much is going on now. So yeah, gold's gonna chill over here. GBPAUD is also chilling. Still hasn't closed below though, so that's fine. If you can understand how to swing trade, you can keep adding the positions after you deepen profits. You don't have to trade the rest of the week. Well, you have to hold on one trade for the week though. And if it goes tits up, then you just had a break-even trade, even though you've been in profit. It's like, it's just, and you have to get your risk to reward. It's like you have to wait until it hits TP. If it reverses 2 pips off, like it's just very, very tedious. No, I don't know who one person who swing trades and makes a profit. Not like you can't, but I just can't see it. I work out the maths, and the maths just isn't there. It just doesn't make any sense. Because your stop losses are so big. Why would you hold a trade on all week and make 1% on that trade? Like, it just doesn't make any sense to me. The only way they could be making money is if they're over risking like fuck, and that's just silly. So hourly closed below slightly. Is this GJ? Yeah, it is coming towards some support on here though. It didn't close below, I don't think. Did it? Look, 30-minute didn't close below. But yeah, I still think this can continue down over here. So we got a 36 pip trade over here. I'm on FXCM. Oh, okay, I get you. Yeah, I wish they just changed that and made them both the same, because it's fucking annoying. Oh, gold did close below over here. Could continue. Oh, look at that. So that 50-minute over here would have been sexual. Holy shit, 40 pips. Oh my god. Holy smokes. So wow, that's going to continue down over here. Look at the 4 hour now. Ooh, nice. Holy shit. Pretty decent. But guys, I think I'm going to wrap this up over here now because I took my trade. I'm happy and now I can relax. But thank you very much for coming on. We've had a great stream and I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. If you guys do want to join on the NY session, the link is literally there. Nightbots just put it in, so come and join the fun. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. So thank you very much. Thank you everyone in Zoom for coming, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See you later. Thank you very much, YouTube. Peace out. Peace out. Great stream. Thank you. Thank you. Peace out, guys.